Looking for reliable and affordable moving services in Maine? 3 Movers is your trusted partner. In this video, we'll show you why 3 Movers stands out as one of Maine's best moving companies for both local and long-distance relocations. Stick around to find out how we can make your next move easier, safer, and more affordable. Planning a long-distance move, moving across the state or even across the country requires careful planning, and that's where 3 Movers excels. We've helped countless families and businesses relocate to new cities and states. Here's what we offer. Let us save you time and energy by packing up your home safely and efficiently. Our team is trained to handle everything, from heavy furniture to fragile items, with care and expertise. We understand the importance of punctuality, ensuring that your belongings arrive on time, no matter the distance. With competitive pricing, 3 Movers makes long-distance moves affordable without compromising on quality. No matter how far you're moving, 3 Movers has you covered. At 3 Movers, we believe that reliability and affordability should go hand in hand. Our team understands that moving can be expensive and stressful, so we've made it our mission to provide affordable moving solutions that don't sacrifice quality. Here's why 3 Movers is your best choice in Maine. Whether you're moving a few blocks or a few hundred miles, we make it affordable and easy. No matter where you're moving in Maine, 3 Movers is the team you can trust to make your move smooth, stress-free, and affordable. Call us today or visit our website to get your free, instant quote. Let us take the hassle out of your next move.